Hey guys, Glitch here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up QoS for your router. I'm going to use it on the Netgear Nighthawk, or one of them. I'm pretty sure you can use this for a lot of other ones too. So, all you have to do is log into your router online or in your Internet Explorer. Then you want to go over to Advanced on here. Setup, QoS setup. Might give it a minute. Alright, so first off, you'll want to speed test. This will test your upload speed. It takes a couple minutes to do this. Shouldn't take too long though. Alright, there we go. And then it'll show your upload speed right there. Alright, so next you'll want to go QoS by device is what you'll want to do. And then you'll add your priorities. So I have my PC and my Xbox as the highest priority. All you'll have to do is click on it, select right here, highest, and then add that priority, and it'll go right here. Now the rest of the stuff you'll want to put as low priority or normal. This will not affect them. It will not make it to where they won't be able to play on the internet at all. All it does is prioritize your gaming system over everything else. So if you're downloading something and they're downloading something, yours will download first and then it will start on those. And then all you got to do is click apply. This does take a couple more minutes too. Now this, while it's updating, this will shut off your internet for a minute. So you might want to tell everybody you're doing this. Alright, so after that, you can just exit out of there. That should be it. Your QoS should be set up, and it should help with your disconnections or internet speed or whatever. And if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. I'll be making more. It'll be random. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next.